I recently found a brand new meme coin strategy that I have been using these last couple of weeks now to print thousands of dollars every single day. But now it's time to pass it on to you guys, so I will be showing you exactly step by step on how to do it, so make sure you stick till the end of the video. And the strategy that I am actually referring to is called launching your own meme coins. So basically, in simple terms, we simply just create our own coin like this one right here, and then we pump up the price, and then later on we can decide to remove the liquidity and print thousands of dollars every single coin launch. Like for example this one right here, it got pumped hella, after that it got rugged right here, and it got rugged right here till 0. Now if you're still trading meme coins in the trenches at the moment, I would advise you to stop completely right now, because you will eventually lose all your money to rug pulls. And you should start creating them, because first of all, there is no risk involved. All you have to do is launch the coins, and if it gets a bunch of buyers, you just remove the liquidity and you print thousands. But compared to meme coins, you are simply just giving your money away to the creators of these coins, and they can simply remove the liquidity whenever they want, and you could lose your money at any given second. So if you're still watching this video and you are interested in launching your first coin, you are on your way to making thousands of dollars. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me. And yeah. But anyways, now it's time to cut all the bullshit and to head straight to the point. Okay, so to launch your first coin, you want to come to launch token.Fun, and on this exact website you will be able to create and launch your first coin with no coding required, and your coin will be listed on the Radium DEX. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a DEX which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is too saturated and too many coins are being created every single second, and the market caps are not high enough. So on the Radium DEX though, the market caps are 5 times higher than Pump.Fun. For example, on the Radium DEX, as you can see, I have no filters. 8 million, 200,000, 50,000, 50,000, 300,000, 12 million. And if I go on Pump.Fun, the market caps are absolutely horrible. 8k, 9k, 5k, 10k, 20k. Okay, the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun, or in simple terms on the Radium DEX, if you want to maximize your profits. Okay, now to launch your first coin, you have two different options. You can either create your coin manually here by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image, and then after that, you know, just continue here and continue with the steps. Then after that, create your token. Or if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can come to the third tab on the copy coins tab right here. And on this exact page, you can duplicate and replicate any coin that has a decent narrative. Now, in general, every single coin here has a good narrative, and they are all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you are basically listing them back up on the Radium DEX, and you are maximizing your profits and getting instant buyers. Okay, now a bunch of people in my Discord server and in my Telegram and myself are making thousands of dollars just by duplicating these coins. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate the coin to prove that this shit actually works. So the coin that caught my attention is the Fupa coin right here. It has 30 replies and a 47,000 market cap. So I'm going to create coin. After that, I'm going to go inside my Phantom wallet. Then okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. Boom, 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 boom. Also, a detail I forgot is that the last buy, it was 2 seconds ago, so this is a great sign. Okay, now copy token address right here and click on create liquidity pool, because here you will be able to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So select your coin here, select your balance, and the amount token A right here. I like to click on max to put 1 billion coins in the pool. If you want to keep 100 million coins, you can do 90%, but I'm gonna do 100%, so max. The amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. I'd like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana or more if you want, but I'm gonna put 0.5 Solana for the video. Obviously you can put less or more, and this money you are not losing it, since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. Okay, so this is a no loss amount. Okay, this coming back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, and then to create pool, and shortly after your phantom wallet should pop up. Yup, confirm, and then click on refresh. Okay, popped up. You're already $40 in profit. Now click on view on photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot at the moment. Let's freaking go. Let me go. Okay, we just got a $44 buy inside, bro. Within just a second, we just got a $44 buy. This is actually insane. Now, as you can see, let me go in a lower time frame. Okay, it is pumping a lot. And also, if you want to check your profits and how much you are up, you can come to launchtoken.Fun, click on the refresh button, and here you can see your profits, $40 in profit. Let's go. Okay, it's pumping a lot. Let's go. Let me go check the buy. Oh, $34 buy again. Let me come back to launchtoken.Fun, refresh. $65. It is going up. Let's go. We're already one Solana up in profit. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. Oh crap. Okay, the coin is pumping at the moment. Okay, so the coin is spiking a lot at the moment. This is a really good sign, a healthy sign. So here you can see a couple buys, not bad. Oh my god, it's literally spiking up. Oh my god, it's going so high. Oh my god. Okay, I think if it comes back like here, I am gonna remove the liquidity. Come on. Oh! Okay, I think I might do it. Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on. After that, click on confirm, and boom, we just remove the whole entire liquidity out of the coin. That's exactly how you print money out of thin air without even doing anything. So launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. It's the only legit website that works out here at the moment. And also, I'm gonna open my wallet. So 3, 2, 1. $300 is inside my wallet, and that is exactly how you print money out of thin air.